but I was having some problems with my steering felt really loose. This thing had some weight to it, but I went ahead and let the shop do this one because if anything goes wrong, they'll take care of it. And sometimes when you're working on it yourself and you go and tell them to make some adjustments, they won't do it. So I went ahead and let them install this one so they can fix stuff when I'm ready. Having any issues. But this is not hard to get off. It's just a matter of finding a time. Here we have it on the floor now. Now this slides right onto those gears, those screws there. There's a little small little latch there that lines up. There it is here. It has to be lined up for that to go on. So I took 2 of these off previous video. But this is your steering box, what it looks like. And for whatever issues it has, I went to get an alignment or free alignment, and I noticed a lot of play on my steering wheel after changing the I didn't change this one was still on there. So after getting my box replaced, my steering is nice and tight now, and it feels good. But this was the issue with my steering after changing the other parts. Now look at your steering box. You got a bolt here, a bolt there, a bolt there. What you gotta take out. This connects. You got 2 lines, places where the lines connect. Here, power steering. I heard you make an adjustment here when it's on the vehicle. Very little adjustment there with this nut here.